Hello, wavy-haired beauties! If you're blessed with stunning type 2A, 2B, or 2C hair, you know that your locks dance to a rhythm all on their own. We've got you covered with great hair care tips, including nighttime tips that will make your waves the envy of the town. Let's go! Hydration magic. Moisture is your BFF. This one is key. Just like a desert flower craves water, your stunning waves thrive when they're well hydrated. Opt for sulfate-free moisturizing shampoos that cleanse without stripping your hair of its natural oils to keep your waves bouncy and happy. Follow up with a hydrating conditioner designed to add moisture to your hair without weighing down your waves. While applying, focus on the mid-lengths to ends. Moreover, your waves don't need daily shampooing. This might seem hard, but aim for once or twice a week to prevent your hair from getting overly dry. Overwashing can disrupt your hair's natural oil balance, which leads to frizz and dull waves. And when you do shampoo, use your fingertips to massage your scalp gently and let the bubbles flow through your lengths as you rinse. All this will help maintain your hair's natural texture and prevent it from becoming limp. So embrace hydration to fight frizz, enhance your wave pattern, and keep your hair looking luscious all day long. Plopping Technique. Preserve those waves. Ready to find out about the magic of plopping technique that your hair 2A, 2B, and 2C hair will adore? Plopping is done after washing to maintain your wave's shape while they dry and encourage your waves to form beautifully. After applying your products, gently scrunch and then wrap your damp hair in a microfiber towel or an old cotton t-shirt to allow your waves to set without the fuss of excess friction. Plopping is like giving your waves a cozy, bouncy hug. This genius move keeps your waves intact while they dry, minimizing frizz and preserving that stunning wave pattern. Play with products. Find your wave-worthy allies. Get ready for a fun treasure hunt for your perfect wave recipe. With your type 2A, 2B, and 2C locks, each day is a chance to discover what makes your waves do a happy dance. Experiment with hair products that enhance your natural texture. Lightweight curl-enhancing creams, gels, or mousses are your trusty sidekicks, adding a sprinkle of magic to your waves. They define, revitalize, and protect your wave's natural pattern, all while giving them a dose of happy hydration. Apply the product to your wet hair, scrunching it gently to encourage your waves to form. For added volume, enter sea salt spray, your volume va-va-voom secret weapon. It adds texture, oomph, and that just got back from a beach vacay bounce to your waves. Another kind of product that would keep your gorgeous waves looking its best are Frizz fighting products, your secret weapon against the unruly flyaways that cramp your style. You can opt for anti-frizz serums or creams to smooth the way, helping your waves stay vibrant and healthy. Apply a small amount to your damp hair to control frizz and define your waves. Prefer to make your own DIY anti-frizz potion? Try this apple cider vinegar spritz. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar with 4 tablespoons of clean water and spritz away. Water will feed them hydration, while the apple cider vinegar will control frizz and give it a boost of shine. While choosing any kind of product for your precious wavy strands, remember to go for lightweight, water-based formulas that enhance your natural waves without making your hair feel heavy or crunchy. So try different products or recipes, see what works best, and customize your unique waves vibe while keeping them fabulously healthy. Enjoying these tips? Smack that like button. Your support helps YouTube to spread the hair joy to even more people. Thanks for being awesome. Tame the frizz and get more hydration with oils. Unlock the beauty secret of essential oils like the superstar Rosemary oil for hair that's hydrated and happy. These oils are like a satisfying drink for your locks to keep them nourished and oh so gorgeous. Rosemary oil, for example, is a hydration hero. It's like giving your hair a cool glass of water. Packed with nutrients, it goes deep into each strand, ensuring they stay moisturized and healthy. Think of essential oils as your hair's personal spa day. A soothing massage with these oils rejuvenates your scalp and sends waves of hydration to thirsty follicles. It's like a spa treatment right in your bathroom. And guess what? These oils don't just hydrate, they also seal the deal. They lock in moisture and prevent your hair from drying out and becoming brittle, which means less frizz. You can massage it in your scalp or also apply on your strands and the ends to prevent split ends. Let essential oils be your hair's hydration besties and watch your strands transform into a waterfall of beauty. Comb and care. Avoid brushing dry hair. Brushing your type 2 hair when they're dry can lead to a wild frizz party that your waves didn't sign up for. Your vibrant waves have their own groove, and brushing them when they're dry disrupts that fabulous pattern. Instead, opt for gentle detangling when your hair is dry or damp. This helps maintain those enchanting waves without causing chaos. You'll love using TangleGenie for this purpose. It's the ultimate detangling tool that will save your strands. Say goodbye to breakage and wrestling matches with your locks. It detangles gently without any pain, pulling, or falling out thanks to its unique 360-degree bristle design. You'll be amazed at how easily this magic tool glides through dry or damp hair. Give it a try to keep your waves healthy, bouncy, and to escape the heavy damage other detangling methods cause. Remember, wet hair is more delicate, so it's best to wait until it's damp before detangling for extra protection. Your stunning waves will thank you with their radiant, healthy glow. Wave Wonder, the magical diffuser. Let those waves live their best life. The best thing for your hair's health is to allow your hair to air dry with some care whenever possible for beautiful natural formation of waves. But when you do use a hairdryer, try using a diffuser to gently dry your waves. A diffuser attachment is like a gentle breeze that whirls through your waves, which enhances their natural wave pattern while minimizing frizz. The magic lies in its design. It distributes airflow evenly to allow your waves to form naturally and give you a more defined texture without disturbing their charming pattern. Your waves will be dancing with joy and flaunting their radiant, frizz-free glory. The Pineapple Technique. Preserve overnight. Ever heard of the pineapple method? It's your type 2A, 2B, and 2C's hair overnight bestie. The morning type 2 beauties have their whole wave pattern disturbed after bed until the next wash. But since we're being careful to not overwash your locks, let's preserve those waves while you sleep. The pineapple method is a technique to let your waves rest in style. Before bed, gather your hair into a high, loose ponytail on top, just like a pineapple. This genius move prevents your waves from getting squashed and flattened while you snooze, so you wake up with fabulous waves that are ready to rock the day. It's like tucking your waves into bed, keeping them safe from the toss and turn frenzy. And it lets you rise and shine with dreamy, intact waves that are as fresh and fabulous as you are. Want to keep up on all the best tips to achieve gorgeous, healthy hair? Yeah, we think you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Dreamy waves. Embrace bedtime braids and buns magic. Another way to preserve your hair while you sleep? Loose braids or low buns. Your ticket to gorgeous waves in the morning. Before you hit the pillow, create loose braids or gentle low buns. These sweet styles prevent tangling and keep your waves from going wild while you catch those Z's. They also set your hair overnight into a gentle, natural wave pattern after you undo them in the morning. It's like giving your waves a cozy hug, ensuring they wake up in the morning with their shape intact and ready to dazzle. Trimming triumphs. Banish split ends. Regular trims are your secret weapon against split ends and frizz. It's best to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain the health and shape of your waves. This will prevent your hair from looking dull and encourage those waves to bounce back. Embrace the frizz. It's part of the charm. Remember, a little frizz adds to the charm of your wavy locks. Instead of battling it, embrace it. Some frizz is natural and contributes to that effortless, lived-in look you're aiming for. If you have more tips and tricks to keep wavy hair looking its best, drop it in the comment section below so everyone can benefit from it. And be sure to check out this video right here to learn more about how rosemary tea can help with hair growth. Happy hair care journey!